Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Gmail storage from your computer. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. I'm using this Chrome shortcut here. After opening Gmail in your browser, just simply click on this icon in the bottom left side, and from there, it will lead you to Google One. Now, click on the Home option, and after doing that, you'll see this Clean Up Space option here. Click to view. After doing that, you'll get this tab here. In order to clean the file, click to Review, and now select the items that you want to remove, and click to Delete. And again, tick this box and click Delete permanently. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.